Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor Kulbhushan Chandel from Himachal Pradesh University. Today we are going to talk on module Product Planning and Analysis from paper Marketing Management. Uh, we will be explaining the meaning of product. We will be understanding the concept of marketing mix. We will be knowing the process of product planning. We will be knowing the product analysis, and finally we will be knowing about the product controlling through this module. Let me start with the introduction of this very particular module. Varied new ways of marketing have emerged in the market with the globalization and advancements in the technology. Marketing is the process of ascertaining customer needs, converting them into the products, and finally selling them to the desired customers and to the users to satisfy the needs and their wants. There are product, whatever we are just discussing here, these may be done with the help of products, the prices, the place, and promotion. Product is the chief component which is exchanged between the two parties of the marketing. Let me discuss that. What is the meaning of product? Product refers to tangible and intangible goods like physical objects, services, events, persons, places, organizations, ideas, combination of all these. For example, washing machines, soaps, exhibitions, business schools, etc. Maybe the examples. The services are the form of activities that consists of activities, benefits that are offered by sales and are essentially intangible. It is very vital that whatever is produced, it must be in accordance to the preferences and demands of the customer. As a customer is the king of the market, we presume the products can be in the form of raw material, work in progress, and finished product. Let me define that how the different authors they define the product. According to the W. Alderson, a product is a bundle of utilities consisting of various features and accompanying the services. Philip Kotler has defined the product like a product is anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, and consumption that might satisfy the wants, needs. It includes the physical objects, services, the persons, the places, organizations, and goals. Features of product. For being called as a product, it must contain some features. To have clear-cut understanding of the product concept, it is necessary to identify the basic characteristics of the product, which are discussed as under. A product should be tangible one. It means the product should have its own size, shape, color, weight, length, etc. Product has a physical appearance. It can be seen and touched. A product is accompanied with the various services also, whether these services are provided before sale or after sale. Before sale of product, the services provided are like demonstrating the product to the customers, explaining its uses methods, etc. After sale services are guarantee, warranty, delivery of product, etc. A product must contain a label. Labeling helps the seller to identify the product, and moreover, a label provides detailed information about the product to the customer. A product should be properly packed in the package. Packaging helps the customer to identify the brand name of the product. Product planning. Product planning is the systematic determination of manufacturer's product line. Product line refers to the variation in the products which are offered in the market for the sale. It comprises of two words. One is the product and other one is the planning. Product refers to all goods and services that satisfy the consumers, and planning refers to looking in the future. Thus, the product plannings includes all those activities which decides that which product of the company should be offered in the market for the sale, so that in spite of acute competition in the market, which can be sold profitably. Product planning is a process of searching new ideas to produce and launch a product in order to earn the higher profits. It is further concerned with monitoring the ideas systematically, converting them into the tangible products, and introducing the new products in the market for the use. It also comprises of formation of policies and strategies. It includes improvement and expansion in the existing products. Product planning is a complex process and requires effective coordination between different departments of the organization. Let me discuss now what is the significance of product planning. Product planning is important function, a very important function due to the many reasons. It involves decision making regarding the product and its attributes of all P's of marketing mix, that is the product mix, price mix, place mix, and promotion mix. That it ensures the profitability of the business firm. For this, the business carries research work along with the product modifications from time to time, so as to just increase not only the sale but also the customer satisfaction. Then performing product planning symbolizes the managerial abilities also, and it helps the companies in facing challenges. It can be used as a competitive weapon, which is very important by the market, by making proper decisions regarding product attributes, prices, the customer services, and the techniques too. It is an important means to fulfill the social responsibilities of the firm. Objectives of product planning. Product planning is required for the following reasons. It is required to meet customers' needs. It ensures proper and optimum utilization of resources. It increases the firm's sales. It helps to employ surplus fund or borrowing capacity. It is required to diversify risk and face competition. The few questions which has to be taken care, they are: what product should the company develop? When should those products be released? What product mix should the company produce, which includes the quality, the quantity, the label, diversification, standardization, what it should be. What market segments the company should target. What are the manufacturing goals of the company? what new technologies are involved in the product, what are our financial targets, and what budget and schedule the company should target. Keeping in mind all these questions, the product planning that is done, and accordingly product strategy that is also carried out. Process of new product planning. New product development is a growth strategy because of the heavy role which the marketing plays in finding, development, and launching of new products successfully. New products can be the product modifications and the new brands which the company develops through its own R&D efforts. A key factor in effective new product development process is to establish workable organizational structures. The process is as under. The first step in the process of new product planning is idea generation. The new product development process starts with the search of new idea. The top management defines the markets and the products to be emphasized. It should state the new product's objectives and should state how much efforts should be devoted to the development of original products, modifying existing products, and imitating competitors' products. The new product ideas can be derived from many sources like consumers, scientists, competitors, company sales people, dealers, and top management. Idea generation includes techniques like forced relationships, problem analysis, brainstorming, and synthesizing the new ideas which comes from the market. It helps in generating better ideas. The next step in the process of new product planning, new product development is idea screening. The second stage is idea pruning or reducing by screening. In this stage, the company must avoid the drop errors, that is, permitting a poor idea to move into development and commercialization, or dropping a good idea. The purpose of screening is to spot and drop poor ideas as early as possible and make rough guesses and market size. These guesses, they are for the market size, product prices, development time and cost, manufacturing cost, rate of returns, etc. The concept development. Surviving ideas must be developed into product concepts. A product idea is an idea for a possible product that the company can see itself offering to the market. A product concept is an elaborated version of the idea expression in meaningful consumer terms, like producing any powdered items for putting in milk to change its flavor is a concept development. The example which can be taken here, the Horlicks jar, which occupies an important position in the kitchen. Since 1930s, it is one of the best known brands in the health food industry. It owes a success to a strong brand heritage, commitment to quality, focused communication, and a deep understanding of the consumer needs. The Horlicks product concept was developed by James Horlicks and his brother William in Chicago, US. The fourth step which is important here, that is marketing strategy. The new product managers need to preliminarily test the new product in the market. will help in refinement of the product in further stages. The marketing strategy consists of three stages. The first stage describes the size, structure, and behavior of target market. In the second stage, the product planned price, distribution strategy, and marketing budget for the first year. The third part describes the planned long run sales, profit goals, and marketing mix strategy. Business analysis. The next step is the evaluation of business attractiveness of the proposal. The management must review the sales, cost, and profit projections to determine the objectives. If this is done, then the product moves to product development stage. With any new information, the necessary required changes are made. The management needs to estimate about the sales, and this is done by estimating the first time sales and replacement sales and also repeat sales. After preparation of the sales budget or sales forecast, the management estimates the costs and profits, and this is done by R&D, research and development, manufacturing, marketing, and finance department. It is an in-depth study of the economic feasibility of product ideas. It is assessing the profitability of a new product idea that helps management in deciding whether to introduce the new product, continue the development, and evaluation further, or to drop the ideas. It is the evaluation of product idea in depth to determine its financial, competitive, manufacturing, and marketing viability in an accepted business environment. Product development. If the product passes the business analysis, then it moves to the R&D and engineering departments to be further developed into a physical product. This stage provides the answers for the product idea, which can be translated into the technically and commercially feasible product. The R&D department develops one or more physical versions of the product. It helps to find whether the consumers see the product as embodying the main attributes of the product. Test marketing. After the management is satisfied that the producers or that the products functions are proper, then the product is considered to be ready for the dress up with a brand name, which itself includes, say, the packaging and a preliminary marketing program. The main purpose of the test marketing is to learn how the consumers and dealers they react to handling, using, and repurchasing the actual product, and how large the market is. The cost of marketing test may be enormous and take time that may allow competitors to gain advantage. If management is confident about the new product, then the company may do little or no test marketing. The test marketing is an ultimate test to experience and experiment with actual selling and purchasing of the product. Test marketing is done due to the following reasons. It helps the company to get knowledge about the potential market of the product. It helps to pre-test the marketing plans of the company. It helps the company to get knowledge about the reactions of the customers. It helps the company to find faults in the product. Commercialization. Test marketing apparently gives the management necessary needed information to make a final decision about the launch of the product. In launching new product, the company make the new decisions like when the product be introduced, where should it be introduced, and in which target market should it be introduced, and how the company should introduce it. All these decisions they are taken prior to the commercialization of the product. Product analysis. Product analysis facilitates us to understand the significant materials, processing, and economic decisions which are needed for manufacturing of any product. It is quite imperative to examine the product after disseminating the product. SWOT analysis can be used for the analysis of the product in a simple manner. Product analysis is done for the following reasons. It helps in decision making. Product analysis is useful in formulation of business strategies. It is helpful in facing competitions. The product analysis helps in making proper use of the various opportunities available. It is helpful in minimizing the weaknesses and maximizing the strengths. It is helpful in replacing the product whenever it becomes obsolete in the market. It is helpful for the customers in deciding whether the product is worth buying or not. It is helpful for the improvement in the product design. Product analysis can be carried out by an individual product being analyzed or by alternatively a number of similar products which can be compared with each other by using same criterions. Product controlling. Planning and controlling are corresponding to each other. Thus, they must go alongside. The process of controlling is also performed after making plans about the products so as to find out the deviations and taking corrective actions to control such variances. This function is performed by the product controllers. He takes the consideration about the quality of the product, the prices of the product, the quantity of the product, branding, packaging, and labeling, and so on. The product controller also ensures that whether everything is in accordance to the rules and instructions, that also he be ensured for the effective utilization of the resources. For effective utilization of resources, effective coordination and budgeting is also needed. Moreover, proper evaluation of product must be done from time to time. The process of product controlling. The product controlling involves 4 basic steps. These are as follows. Setting standards. The first and foremost step in controlling is establishing the standards. These are the criteria against which the results are measured. These are the objectives to be achieved by the organization. Product is made according to the standards to set. Standards are set in terms of quantity, quality, price, size, features of the product, etc. Measuring performance. After setting the standards, the actual performance is measured. It is checked whether everything occurs in conformity with the rules made and guideline issued or not. Quality check is done at this stage. Furthermore, the features requirements are measured. The actual performance is measured, which must be similar to the units set. Comparing actual performance with established set standards. The third stage is the stage of comparison. Here, the actual performance is measured with the established predetermined standards which are set. By comparing the performance, deviations are found out. The deviations are the results of low performance than the stated performance. If the performance is up to the level of budgeted performance, then the situation is regarded as favorable and everything is under control. Corrective actions. After finding the deviations, the last step is to take the corrective actions in order to solve the problems. The decisions are taken by the top level management. Corrective actions must be in the favor of the product and should not affect the product, its quality, prices, and so on. It must be well balanced, and over controlling should be ignored in order to accomplish the task and to achieve the respective objectives of the organization. Product development. Product development is the next step to product planning. It is the process of finding out the possibilities for producing a product. It is necessary to find out the technical and financial feasibility, sales potential, and profitability of the product. Thus, it can be said that the product development is concerned with the development and commercialization of new products. According to William J. Stanton, product development encompasses the technical activities of product research, engineering, and design. Product development is concerned with adding of new product designs, current products, that is their shape, size, quality, and packaging should be improved. Product development is preparation of the product for the satisfaction of real needs of the market. It provides various advantages to the enterprises. Some of them are as follows. It helps in production of best quality goods and services. It increases the life cycle period of the product. It helps in facing the competition effectively. It increases the profit earning capacity of the firm. It helps in achieving stability in the demand of the products. Product development is related with providing of a right product at right time, at right place, at right price, and in the right quantity. Following are the three main elements of product development. Product innovation. It is not merely confined to the change in physical shape of the product. Thus, product innovation is concerned with generating ideas of new products and developing various models through research and development. Product improvement. It is concerned with the change in the quality, variety, shape, and size of the product. Professor Bansal and Dr. Chandel rightly said that the prime objective of product improvement is to increase the variety of product to earn and maximize profits through the increase in sale with the help of technical improvements in the product. Packaging improvements. It is considered as the main element of product development. It includes decisions regarding changes in physical design of the products and its shape, size, material, color, combinations, etc. So students, let's now summarize what we have learned in this module. We have learned that product planning is a systematic determination of the manufacturer's product line. Product line refers to the variations in the products which are offered in the markets for the sale. It comprises of two words, product and planning. Product, which refers to all the products and services that satisfies the consumers, and planning refers to the looking to the in the future course. Thus, product planning includes all those activities which decides that which product of the company should be offered to the market for sale, so that in spite of acute competition in the market, which can be sold profitably. Product planning is a process of searching new ideas to produce and launch a product in order to earn the higher profits. It is further concerned with monitoring the ideas systematically, converting them into the tangible products, and introducing the new products in the market for the use. We have also learned from these very modules that SWOT analysis that stands for the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It is quite necessary for the decision making and for the improvement of the products. Moreover, after planning, the controlling process is performed in order to take the corrective actions after finding the deviations. The deviations can be found by comparing the actual performance with the budgeted one. So product planning and controlling go side by side. These are inseparable parts. These are the two sides of a same coin. Both have significant role in the development of the product. Therefore, effort should also be made on the review and feedback so that market could be tapped properly and easily. Planning and controlling are corresponding to each other. Thus, they must go side by side. The process of controlling is also performed after making plans about the product so as to find out the deviations and taking corrective actions to control such variances. This function is performed by the product controllers. We have learned that he takes the considerations about the quality of the products and all the prices of the products, quality of the product lines, branding, packaging, and all other product attributes. The product controller also ensures that whether everything is in accordance with the rules and instructions, that also be ensured for the effective utilizations of the resources. We have learned that for effective utilization of the resources, effective coordination and budgeting is needed. Moreover, proper evaluation of the product should be done time to time, and product development which is concerned with adding of new products, designing the current product, that is their shape, the size, the quality, etc., should also be improved. The product development is the preparation of the product for the satisfaction of real needs of the market.